We are en route to the Kennedy Space Center press office, where I'll get my credentials for the next 48 hours of launch activities. Each piece of an assembly, from capsule to rocket, meets here in the vehicle assembly base at Kennedy Space Center. This is where they've put together rockets, shuttles, you name it, it all happens in this building. In fact, it's so expensive to remodel it that they make sure that every spacecraft they make can fit inside here. Where we're walking right now is the same place that every famous astronaut you've ever heard of, from the Apollo missions to the shuttle, has done the very same.
Going back to the shuttle days, that was my claim to fame, was the tank come in from Mississippi, Louisiana area, through this door right here. Down the far end down there, that area down there, that's where the boosters come in through in pieces and parts, and the shuttle come in here.
It's a tribute to all the members of the space shuttle team.
Behind me is the test capsule for Orion, the first mission to Mars. The 3 humans piloting that have already been selected, and in fact, they're customizing everything inside the capsule for that very important mission. This line right here is where the crane operator would line up the wings of the space shuttle so that it could fit all the way up there. Dreaming of filming a space movie? We just learned that it costs about $1 million to rent out this part of Kennedy Space Center for 7 days.
Array structure is one of those that have the big holes in it that line up with the flame trench. So this one's being reconfigured for the Space Launch System.
Gators!
Alligators.
That's a gator!
Mock-up for inspiration, not ironically named the inspiration.
The permission to launch tomorrow is going to come from right behind me. Cross your fingers.
There she is.
How does one finish a day at NASA? With a Robonaut Red and pretzels, of course.